Hello YouTube, I'm Justin.
Alright, it's Caitlin.
And we're opening up Paldea Evolved Blister Packs. This is Tinkatank,
Take a take.
Smoliv, Vroom, and Growlithe.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna open all these up, check out the promo. Oh, I'm so bad at opening these.
I'm not.
And half the video is gonna be us struggling. The struggle is real.
What's that mean?
Yeah. Wow. Well, you can give away your code card and all that while I try to figure this nightmare out.
Is that right?
The room.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna cheat.
Here's the one for Growlithe. Right.
Try not to cut the pack.
Yeah, don't do that.
Alright, everyone's waiting on me. No!
Right.
Got 3 packs. Alright. Tinkatank. And code card. There you go.
Right.
So we should have 8 packs?
You want me to count?
No, it's alright.
Okay.
Did you show off all the other cards?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, while I was struggling.
Yeah.
I guess Riley's going first.
Or,
Rude.
it doesn't no more. I think this is not my day today.
I did not want to open.
Yeah, the probably said no. Not today, sucker.
Maybe that means there's something good in it.
Maybe. Code card.
My.
Yeah, there you go. Fire energy.
Lightning.
I see lightning.
Steel.
Nope. Not from
Yeah,
the.
scoot over. Here,
Not
there
from
you
the
go.
engine
bit more?
today.
There you go.
Super Rod.
I love disc.
Yeah. Snover.
Snover.
Fletchling.
Fletchling.
Floragato.
Florigato.
Mickey Mouse.
Think Tough.
Kroger.
Frigibax.
Frigiback. Oh,
And Frigibax again. And whatever that is.
oh, well, you got a.
Frigibax.
That's pretty cool. I like
See?
that.
See? The ones that are harder to open have something good in them.
Is that how that works?
I don't know. It seems to work for Riley.
Lightning
Right.
energy.
Dark.
Dark.
Nice.
You can throw the energy.
Just put it down.
Trainer.
Throw it at the end.
Noibat.
Oh.
Sprigatito. Quaxley. Aircross. Kilowattrel. Azumarill.
Mickey Mouse.
Mouse. Balmy.
Oh, that's a cool Mimikyu card. I like that.
I like Mimikyu in general.
Wait, Mimikyu and what?
It's like Mimikyu in general.
Oh. Fire energy.
Psychic.
Psychic. No, I was wrong.
We're all wrong. Krogut. Citadel.
It's a title.
Shroodle.
Tadpole.
Is it a light bulb?
Yeah.
It's a
Alright.
tadpole, I guess.
Yanni.
Knuckle stick.
Minecraft.
Cards acquire.
Block.
Delivery drone.
Pretty
That's our
much.
future.
Ooh.
Ooh. Gaikamo.
Dude, it's,
Yakimo.
it's a trainer.
And a
Chinyu.
It's got some big old like eyes
It's
going on.
creepy.
It's a big goldfish, pretty much.
I see that.
It's like
Alrighty. Pokemon going full creepy.
open the lizard.
That lizard.
Oh, it's a cat.
Yeah, I forgot its name.
What is it?
It's a snow leopard, I guess.
Come on, Rain. There you go.
Don't laugh at me.
Who's laughing at you?
Yeah.
Oh. Make sure everyone can see it. There you
My. I'm gonna say water.
Grass.
go. Steel.
Oh.
You gonna go on camera?
Spinnerack.
No. Tarantula.
Darn it.
Charcadet.
Target.
Murkrow.
Murkrow.
Mischievous. Asmoral. Vespiquen.
It's a coin, I guess.
ESQ.
Why are you brushing your head?
Asmoral again. Fighting, I don't know. And
A dragon.
yeah.
I got a dragon. Got a stiff back.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say steel.
Right.
Lightning. Dark.
What's up with me in the dark energy?
I don't know. You're evil.
Noibat, Sprigatito, Quaxley, Charcadet, Skiploom, Deandra, Palisand, Jigglypuff,
Oh, wow.
Skeledirge, and
Godzilla.
Baxcalibur.
That's cool. You got a gold card.
That's pretty cool.
I like that. That's cool.
Skeledirge.
EX. That's pretty cool they brought the EX Pokemon back. Fighting.
Water.
Oh wow. I got it. Alright, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Gravius, Mismagus, Ramplegast, Superior Energy Retrieval, Wattrel, Sprigatito,
It's cat, I guess.
and another Mimikyu.
What?
Alright. Mimikyus are
Or
popular in this video.
Mewtwo is a type of Pikachu.
What?
No, Mimikyu wants to be Pikachu, because Pikachu gets all the love. Or it doesn't.
Me.
That's it.
It is. All the dark Pokemon are sad. And psychic.
You got a guess?
Fire.
Psychic.
Water.
Sorry. You guys were talking. Oh wow.
What's baby Godzilla?
Yep. Larvitar, Deino, Sandygast, Tarantula, Skabloom, Dendra, Palisand, Delibird,
Just like a penguin.
Practice Studio, Luxray.
Darn.
And this is the last pack?
Yep. Of the day.
Alright. Not too bad. I got the gold card.
No, Kayla got the gold card, not you.
Where did I say I got it?
Meh.
Lightning.
Fire.
Fire.
Again, what's up with me in the dark energies? Fletchling, Voltorb, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Tropius, Amo, Gothorita, Honchkrow, Noibat, Ramblin, Excalibur.
Alright, Riley, what do you say at the end?
Like, subscribe, saying this video. Bye. Bye.
Catch you in the next one.